Hey, Agnes.
Hey! Get it?
Do you want to go to Venezuela?
Heavens, the best thing, yeah.
But we have to wait for Steven.
No, it's okay, I got lambs growing in my garden. Ugh.
What?
Let's go.
What?
Yeah, the lollipops, right?
What the
So fucking worthy! Okay, let's go.
Dead lampshade.